In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in to your Costco account using both www.costco.com and signin.costco.com. We all know that shopping at Costco can be an immensely rewarding experience, and having an online account makes navigating this retail giant so much easier. So, whether it's for quick access to deals or streamlined purchases, getting the sign-in process right is key. Now let's dive into the steps you'll need to follow. First, start by opening your preferred web browser. Once you're there, type in www.costco.com and hit enter. This will bring you to the Costco homepage. The homepage is where you'll find a trove of deals, everything from bulk groceries to electronics. But before you enjoy these perks, you need to log in or create an account. So, let's move on to the next step. Look towards the top right corner of the homepage. You'll see the sign in register option. Click on that, and you'll be directed to a page prompting you to sign in. At this point, you'll need to have your email address handy. It's crucial since it's your primary identifier on the Costco platform. Be sure to enter it accurately in the specified email field. After entering your email, click on the password box. Here's a tip. Always make sure your caps lock key is off unless your password contains capital letters. Passwords are case sensitive, and mistyped characters can lead to frustration and can even lock you out of your account after several failed attempts. Once your password is in, you're almost there. Now it's time to click the Sign In button. This action should successfully log you into your Costco account, assuming your credentials are correct. If you accidentally encounter an error message, it might be helpful to double check your email entry and password for any typos. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to accessing your Costco account online. Should you experience any hiccups along the way, Costco's customer service is always an option for assistance. Being logged in not only simplifies the ordering process, but also gives you access to personalized deals, order history, and faster checkout, making your shopping experience much more enjoyable. Remember, accessing your account efficiently is just the first step to making the most out of your Costco online experience. So next time you're gearing up to make a purchase, or check out those exclusive online deals, you'll know exactly what to do. Thanks for joining me today, and happy shopping at Costco.